She cute or whatever. What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, I'm Sakila. So I have a hair review for you guys. It's been a minute, I feel like, since I've done a hair review. So if you've been on my channel for a little minute, you've seen this company before. I decided to try them out again, and this time I am really pleased. So I ordered a wig. This here is from DY Hair 777. I've ordered a wig from them before, 22 inches body wave, loose wave, I think it was. It was very inexpensive. You're not gonna believe the price of this wig. I'll get you the actual specs just so that you don't be like, are you sure? Because I had someone comment on one of my other videos, are you sure? What's this price? Like, sis, yeah, I'm flipping sure. I ordered from dyhair777.com. The wig is 130% density, deep curly Malaysian lace front wig. It's in 12 inches because if you've seen any of my other videos, I have a curly wig from Lavi that I really like the curl pattern and I really like the length, but I hate the wig itself. So I just wanted one that was like that but better quality. So I got this in 12 inches. I haven't cut it or anything. This is 12 inches. Cap size small, and I got the light brown lace color. If you're my color, I would do medium brown. I have to put because I don't know how to tint the lace, I have to put like just my foundation powder so that it's the right color, because if not, it just looks like looks like it's just for a light skin person. The subtotal of this wig before shipping, because shipping to Bermuda or through DHL anyway, is $25. This wig was $85.50. $85.50. You heard me correctly. Let's talk about shipping. Funny story. Haha. I ordered this wig and they shipped it to Warwick, United Kingdom, because if you don't know, I live in Bermuda, and some of the parishes in Bermuda are the same names as some of the countries in England. So DHL took it upon themselves to ship my package to England. Shipping them, it was scheduled to be here at like 3 days, 4 days max. If it was sent to me correctly, it would have taken 4 days max. I think it was like 3 days. I had gotten the text to say that it was whatever, right? So shipping is good. And then it came in, if you've seen my video before, it comes in a bag like this, a little DY Hair 777. It's closed like this, has the website, you know, the logo. So then you open it up and the wig itself came inside of this. Not inside, it didn't come inside of a clear bag. You know how normally they be coming inside of clear bags. They stepped it up. It's a nice little netted mesh type thing, like, you know. And then it had like a hairnet over the wig and like some stuffing inside the inside. Construction that is cap, people be like, make sure you tell people what it's a lace front wig. I want to say it's like 4 inches padding space. There are 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back. There is a comb right here, but I don't know why anybody would ever use that comb. But yeah, and adjustable straps. I did customize this wig. I did film it. I will probably upload it, I don't know. This hair itself, let's talk about the hair. This hair is amazing. If you've seen the last video and I talked about how when I had first gotten that other wig, it was really soft, but then once I had washed it and put product in it, it wasn't as nice. Listen, okay? This hair is like, it's like so soft. Like, it is so soft. I've had this installed for about, let me see, about 3 weeks now. Yeah, roughly 3 weeks now, and it's still just as soft as it was when I took it out the box, out the packaging. I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself. I look so good right now. It's still so flippin' soft. It does not shed. Like, there is no shedding at all. I mean, it's curly hair, but it doesn't shed at all. It tangles at the nape for the most part. That's it. But I clear it out every morning. Every morning I wet it, and because it gets big as the day goes on. I live in Bermuda, plus so the humidity makes it even worse. So it gets pretty big. As I'm sorry for looking at myself. I hate when I watch videos where people do that. So every morning I just have a spray bottle with some leave-in conditioner in it, and I just spray it down. I don't even need a comb. Like, this hair is so good. I just run my fingers through it and it gets all the tangles out. I do take a diamond brush just so I can like clump the curls together, so when it dries it's nice and defined. But I don't need a comb to clear this hair out. It is that bomb. Okay, I'm gonna go get a spray bottle so you can see what it looks like. This is it completely dry. This is like day 2 hair, but I'm going to go get a spray bottle so you can see what it looks like when it's wet. Give me one sec. Okay, I was gonna spray it on camera, but I'm sitting in my mama's good chair and I don't want to get it wet. So yeah, let me turn the brightness up. This is the curls right here, completely wet. I'm gonna stretch this out because this doesn't seem like 12 inches to me. Like, this is the length of the hair completely. I feel like it's longer than 12. But yeah, so this is the hair with just the sprayed water. And this is how much hair just came out from cleaning it out. So yeah, this is the hair. Cons of this hair. I really don't think I have any. Maybe just the tingling, I guess. But honestly, it's so soft. It hasn't lost its softness. It looks natural. Like the luster is not too much. It's not too little. It has movement. It has body. Like, it's just so good. Like, the hair is so good. Like, I am really pleased. I really don't have any cons except for like the nape tangles, but I guess that's kind of expected with curly hair. Honestly, that's it. I really love this hair. I'm sorry for looking at myself. Stop. I really love this hair. If you have any questions that if there's anything that I did not address in this video that you have questions about, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you know you want to be lit with me. Follow me on Instagram and me on Snapchat, and I will see you guys